Ever wondered why bazaar style keema kachori is so flaky and crispy? Stay with me. I'm revealing the secret ingredient today. Let's start by making the perfect kachori dough. In a bowl, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour and a pinch of salt. Slowly add water and knead a soft dough. Apply a few drops of oils and cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. While the dough rests, let's prepare our Lahori style keema filling. Heat oil in a pan, add boiled minced mutton or beef, any of your choice, and fry for a few minutes. For the authentic flavor, add the spices that I am adding, and I have listed them in the video description. Tip: Chinese salt enhances the taste, so don't skip it. Mix everything well and let it cool completely before stuffing. I have added a little bit of ketchup and mayonnaise in the stuffing to make it a little moist. But this is totally optional, you can skip this step. Now comes the game-changing step. Roll out the dough, spread puff margarine over it, and roll it up again. This puff margarine recipe is in the video description as well. I have uploaded it in my YouTube channel. You can go and check there. I told you in the beginning of this video I'm going to use a secret ingredient. This is my secret ingredient, the puff margarine that I use to make these kachoris extra flaky, extra crispy. Roll it up and rest it for at least 10 minutes. Now uncover it and cut it in small pieces. Make balls like I am doing in the video and repeat this step twice. Now I am repeating the folding step again. Just pull all the corners in and make a perfect peda. When you're done with all, just cover them and rest it for 10 minutes. It is a lengthy process, but trust me, it's all worth it. Now spread it and fill it with the filling. Put 1 or 1.5 tablespoons of filling and start rolling it like this. Just take the corners and put them in and make a perfect peda. You can fry these instantly or you can freeze all of them for later. Now in a pan, I'm adding a oil. There is a trick. Drop the kachoris into cold oil first, then fry on a medium heat until golden brown and crispy. This ensures they puff up beautifully without absorbing too much oil. This all take up around 15 minutes. Please comment in the section below and tell me from which country are you watching me. Now the kachoris are ready. Look how crispy they are, how crunchy they are. This is amazing. I love them. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.